So what's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. After almost waiting for around 2.5 months, OnePlus started rolling out the final beta based on Oxygen OS 11 for OnePlus 7 series. So here I have my OnePlus 7 Pro, and OnePlus just started to release the final beta for OnePlus 7 series, which is Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 5. After this, we won't have any more beta updates for OnePlus 7 series. Whatever updates we are going to get, that will be based on the stable channel. Update is rolling out in batches, so it might take some time to receive it on your device. But I'll try to provide the download link in the description below. You guys can download the file from there and do a local upgrade. To do a local upgrade, process is quite simple. Download and place the file inside internal storage. Then go to Settings, System Update. Tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and you'll be able to find the file. Just tapping on it will start the update process. People who are already running beta channel, they'll receive this update via OTA. If you want to update your device immediately, then you can download the files from the description below. And I would suggest you guys to wait for my complete review, because as it's a final beta update, in future when we get stable update with a higher build number or the new security patch, then migrating from beta channel to stable channel will wipe your data. Though if you are running stable build, you can easily migrate to beta channel by doing a local upgrade. And migrating from stable channel to beta channel will not affect your data. So now let's take a look at the software information. As I've already updated my device to the latest build, which is Oxygen OS Open Beta 5. Here you can take a look at the software information. Android version is Android 11, device is OnePlus 7 Pro, build number says Oxygen OS Open Beta 5. And Android version is 11 with the security patch of 1st May 2021. Before taking a look at the changelog, let's talk about the benchmark results. Here with Geekbench application, single core have scored 718 and multi-core have scored 2341. On the previous update, single core had scored 715 and multi-core had scored 2443. So almost similar scores to be seen here with Geekbench application. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 5,23,323. On the previous update, scores were 4,58,466. So slightly higher benchmark results to be seen with this latest update of Oxygen OS. And guys, as always, I'll be doing a complete review on this build, which will give us a better idea if there are any improvements on this latest build or not. We cannot judge the stability of softwares until we do a thorough testing. So I'll take another 2 to 3 days. We'll be using this device as my primary device, and let's see how does this latest build of Oxygen OS performs. And guys, these are the changelogs of Oxygen OS Open Beta 5 for OnePlus 7 series, which are related to system, phone application, network, gallery, shelf, and at last OnePlus have also mentioned that this will be the final open beta version for OnePlus 7 series based on Android 11. So in future, we're not going to see any kind of open beta updates for OnePlus 7 series. And according to me, I think OnePlus will not be providing the always on display feature on stable builds, because till now this feature is available under the OnePlus Lab section and haven't made it through multiple testing to be released on Oxygen OS stable builds. So if you are one who wanted to have always on display feature on your device, then I would request you to stick to Oxygen OS Open Beta 5, or else if you want the stable build, then there's next option, which is rooting your device. Recently I made a video on how to get OnePlus always on display feature on the stable builds. But only drawback there is you need to have root access. So sad news for OnePlus 7 series users. I personally feel we won't be getting always on display feature on OnePlus 7 series running stable channel. But what are your thoughts about always on display? Then do let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the changelogs or the updates done on this latest build. First one, under system, they say they have reduced the power consumption of the device, which we cannot say anything right now. We have to use the device for a day or two, so that we get better idea about battery drain or any standby battery drain issues are there or not. Because on OnePlus 7 series, after the Oxygen OS 11 update, most of the users had issues related to charging and battery drain. Let's see now if OnePlus have taken care of that or not. After that, they have also improved the compatibility of specific third-party applications which were not running on Android 11. So till now, I haven't faced any kind of issues with the third-party application running Android 11. But if you guys have faced, then do let me know, and also let me know which is that specific app on which you are facing issues on Android 11. Though if you talk about the OnePlus launcher, here we still don't get the option to add Google Feed instead of OnePlus Shelf. And I think this is the latest update of OnePlus launcher, which is version 5.1.5. Then few improvements have been done related to the stability of device. Till now no jitters or lags to be seen. Let's see in upcoming days how does this build perform. After that, few improvements led to the stability of phone application. If you guys remember on the previous update of stable channel, OnePlus had completely messed up with the OnePlus dialer. But for that also I had made a video and we had a workaround which was able to fix that issue of OnePlus dialer by changing the resolution of the device. And on previous open betas and OxygenOS stable builds, OnePlus 7 series users have been complaining about disconnection of Wi-Fi. Here with this update, OnePlus says they have improved the Wi-Fi connection stability. And let's see if we face any kind of disconnection issues after updating the device to Beta 5. And now talking about another issue which almost every OnePlus user is facing on their devices running OxygenOS, and that's related to loading speed of photos in the gallery application. But here with this update, OnePlus says they have optimized the loading speed of gallery application and the photos. Currently I don't have much of photos inside my internal storage, but I'll get to know more about it when I'll start using my WhatsApp on this device. So these things for sure I'll be covering in a review video. And if you guys update your device to the latest build of OxygenOS, then make sure to let me know in the comment section below whether gallery is still taking time to load the photos or it has been improved. Last but not the least, OnePlus have improved the animation performance and frame rate of OnePlus Shelf. Though scrolling in the shelf is a bit smoother now. So guys, this was the quick look on the latest update for OnePlus 7 series based on beta program. And before updating your device, keep one thing in mind that this is the last open beta and we won't get any more open beta updates for OnePlus 7 series. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. If you still have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.